How's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Nissan Murano SL. This one is gray. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 260 horsepower and 240 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats. Come around back, we've got our Murano SL all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, heated seats. This Murano has 41,546 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Murano, check out feldmannimports.com.